Boom! Another package arrived today. So we just went to the province and today we just got home and there's another package waiting for us at home. I'll show you the label of this stuff. That's the label. Let's see what's inside. Usually this item is widely used with young people. This came from, let's see, the seller is Jacqueline. The product name here is says that it's accessories and the quantity is 1 and the net weight is 50 half kilo. Really excited about this product, so let's open it together. Here it goes. Opening. Packaging tape is so sticky. We open it and let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Wow, I'm so excited to use this, guys, especially with the baby, with our baby going to church during Sundays. It's so hot that we really need to have a portable fan with us. Boom! Wow. The world's #1 portable fan brand, Jisoo Life. And this is a handheld fan. And I've seen this around with other teenagers. I've noticed that it's so powerful fan, so that's why uh, I bought it. Oh, the seller also included a Hello Kitty keychain. So thank you, seller, for including this, ma'am Jacqueline. It has a lanyard included, a charging USB port, a C-type USB port, and there's also a certificate. There's a manual included, and the actual boom, the actual fan. Let's test out the fan. So let's turn it on. There's a switch over here that says on or lock, and then you have to unlock it so that it can be turned on, I guess. And then let's try it out. So let me first press here to first level 1 power. Up, bali, bali. Uh, it's the opposite side. Okay. So actually, this fan is already a normal. When you turn it on to level 1, it's a normal fan. Yeah, it can really help with when you're really hot. It can already help with cooling you down. Then level 2. Wow, this fan is noisy, by the way. Just around level 2, it's already creating a sound. The sound that it creates is like something like a hair dryer, the hair dryer, but it's a smaller hair dryer. The window is very satisfying at level 2. It's already a good level to satisfy or to cool your child down. For me, this is already enough, or maybe too much already, but for me, it's good, very good already to cool you down. Then let's turn to level 3. Wow, so the noise that this fan emits is so loud. The air is really strong. Very strong. For me, it's very strong already. Level 3 is very strong. Wow. Let's see if there's another level to this. Wow, surprisingly, there's a level 4. The sound is like this turbine when you ride an airplane and when the engine turns on, that's the sound that this makes when you're in the airplane. But it's really strong. It's overwhelmingly strong. I don't know if there's a blade over there, but this is really strong. Okay, let's try to see. Let's press it again to see if there's another level. Wow. Level 5, guys. Super strong. You can just the air is very strong that you can position this very far and there's still air coming into your face. Wow. This is really good when you're really far away from your child and he can still feel the wind and the noise that it makes, guys. I don't Can you hear that? The noise that it makes is like vacuum cleaner, but a very small vacuum cleaner. Oh, even the keychain, guys. Wow, even the keychain. Let's see the USB. It can move a USB port. Wow, this is so strong. Let's see if there's another level. Oh, so it only goes up to level 5, guys, and I think this is really something. This is not a ordinary portable fan, but I think this is a turbo fan. Yeah, I'm really happy about this. And that's why I see a lot of younger generation kids or younger kids using this because it never fails to really cool you down, especially if you're well, maybe if you're still young, you sweat a lot, and yeah, this really helps. Instead of bringing your own hanky, you just bring this portable turbo fan, and this satisfies or this really cools you down immediately. I'm really happy about this product. So if you're planning to get one, well, I suggest you look for this kind of model because it's the cheapest one, uh, a perfect fit into your hand, especially if you're a guy. And this is really so portable. So guys, Jisoo Life, thank you for this product and thank you to the seller who sold me this one. This costs around 1,000. So I guess the value of this product maybe is like good, good enough for the quality that this product looks like. I'm so excited to use this on my baby, a 1-year-old baby. So, well, in in church, we will never be hot again, especially that time when it really gets so hot that your child gets cranky and always cries a lot. Then maybe this product might prevent him from crying. Okay, so let me just I'm really happy about this product, by the way. So thank you so much, and that's it for today. Please do join me for another unwrapping packages from Shopee or online stores out there. I personally paid for this, so I'm not sponsored, by the way, for doing this unboxing or opening these parcels. I want to do this because I guess if there's any defects to the product, I could easily show this video to the seller that when I open their package, it's already broken. So yes, so the product I guess does not have any defects. I guess so. Thank you, seller, for this, and I'm so happy. And thank you, by the way, for the keychain that you included. So thank you. It's a Hello Kitty, but I'm a guy, a guy, so to use this, so you just give this to my wife. So yeah, so thank you so much, seller, and good luck, and hope you all the best in your selling journey at Shopee. This is from Shopee, by the way. So thank you so much, Shopee, for providing me with free free shipping. Thank you. All right. See you soon. Bye bye.